Tonight I want to prepare a fantastic pasta clams. In Italiano is vongole or vongole veraci. Is a very typical dish. It's one of the most famous and traditional Italian recipe. Actually, I think it's from the region Campania. So I don't know if you have an idea where Campania is. Campania is in the south of Italy, just a region below Lazio, where Rome is the capital, and the main city, the most known city of Campania is Napoli. So it's a fish recipe. Actually, clams is a small coquillage, conchiglia, non so come si dice, aspetta che proviamo a vedere se ne troviamo una. These are the clams. Most important, you have to clean them well and keep them 2-3 hours in the water, cold water with a lot of salt, so that you recreate the sea ambient, and this way they get rid of all the sand that is inside, and then they are ready to be cooked. So tonight we're gonna make this dish, fantastic. I really love it. For this occasion I just prepared some fresh spaghetti. Let's start. Wow, here is our pasta. Perfetto. This time there is only durum flour and water. It's very light, so will allow us to feel completely the taste of the fish and the flavor of the sea water. Today our ingredients are very simple. Fresh clams and a little bit of chopped petroselli, or fresh or dry, salt, a piece of garlic, black pepper and olive oil. For the rest, it's time to cook. We have to prepare the clams. They are already washed. We have to put them in the pan and let them cook slowly. My favorite pan. With this pan I feel like a chef. Then some olive oil, and when the olive oil is warm we drop in the pan a couple of pieces of garlic. Actually it's one garlic divided in two, just to extract a little bit the flavor of it, and then we're gonna drop our clams. Tac. Oh, che bel profumino! Clams in Italian is vongole, spaghetti alle vongole. And then if you want to make your dinner romantic, light on a couple of candles, and I'm sure your wife will be very happy. And if you are a woman, I'm sure your man will be very happy. Right, sweetie? Put it inside, tac, tac. Our clams are almost opening all. Then we collect all the clams and put them in a separate pan to keep warm. And the reason is that we are going to use all the juice, salty and with a nice flavor of sea. We're gonna put it apart, filter, just in case we might find some sand, and then reuse it to cook the pasta the last couple of minutes, which in Italian we say mantecare. Last but not least, remember to take away the garlic. So So to filter the water, we're gonna use a tissue or napkins. I don't know how you want to call it. I call it in Italiano tovagliolo. So all the sand will remain inside here, and we can just keep the fantastic juice. Tonight I feel like a wonderful spumante or prosecco to enjoy together with the pasta alle vongole, Clams pasta. So let's make my wife happy as well. Sweetie, do you like it? Yeah. So I open, 1, 2, 3. Oppa! The juice back into the pan, bring it to hot temperature again, and now it's time to put the pasta into the hot water. We finish to cook them here in the water of the clams. And now we can add some clams without shell. I like that, so that I don't have to clean up for 3 hours. And we can switch off the fire and we can add the rest. Final touch, some parsley. And I didn't mention before, but I like to add some lemon shell. This I learned from my father. It's a special touch which enhance all the flavors of this dish. I don't know if you can see, but the lemon shell gives some extra freshness feeling.